Both broccoli and cauliflower are highly nutritious vegetables, but they have some differences in nutrient content. Here's a comparison of their health benefits. Broccoli. 1. Higher in vitamins. Broccoli has more vitamin C and vitamin K than cauliflower. It provides more than 100% of your daily vitamin C needs in just one serving. Vitamin C boosts the immune system, and vitamin K is important for bone health and blood clotting. 2. Antioxidants. Broccoli is rich in antioxidants like sulforaphane, which may have anti-cancer properties and help reduce inflammation. 3. Fiber content. Broccoli has slightly more fiber than cauliflower, aiding in digestion and promoting gut health. 4. Folate. Broccoli contains more folate, which is important for cell function and tissue growth, making it particularly beneficial for pregnant women. Cauliflower. 1. Fewer calories. Cauliflower has slightly fewer calories than broccoli, making it a great option for those focusing on low-calorie diets. 2. Rich in choline. Cauliflower is a better source of choline, a nutrient important for brain health, nerve function, and metabolism. 3. Versatile for low-carb diets. Cauliflower is often used as a substitute for grains and potatoes in low-carb diets, like making cauliflower rice or mashed cauliflower. 4. Antioxidants. Though it has fewer antioxidants than broccoli, cauliflower still contains glucosinolates, which have cancer-fighting potential, which is healthier. Both vegetables offer tremendous health benefits, so choosing one over the other depends on your specific nutritional goals. Broccoli might be the better choice for boosting vitamin C and antioxidant intake, while cauliflower is ideal for a lower-calorie option with brain-boosting choline. Incorporating both into your diet provides a broader range of nutrients.